onye ọbụla ma oke ma ngwele ma ọgịnị nọ na Nigeria inye everybody nọ na Nigeria opportunity to live Nigeria ma ụmụ agadi nwoke dị 80 years ya arafụcha jowele America ibe ji eje America awụrụ na maka nri maka na ndụ agụụ na agụghị ya adịrọ too much mana obodo okpodolo isi n'ala we almost turning like animal kingdom here. Ndụ na-achị achị isi akpakọrọ ọnụ ndụ a na-achị achị isi akpakọrọ ọnụ so inye ndị everybody opportunity na Nigeria bagala ujo wele rafu Nigeria.
If I'm given an opportunity to leave or stay, I'll stay because Nigeria is a fun country to stay in, and actually people make money here, so there's no need of me leaving, and I love my country.
If I'm given an opportunity to leave this country, man, I will leave because I believe the country is hard, because I believe out there are so many opportunities, and I don't like this country. I regret being, born here. I wish I had the opportunity to be given birth to, maybe something like Australia, US, Canada, all these easy place, They have a lot of easy life over there, Even if you are not rich, at least life will be soft for you. If you're in this country and you don't have sense, you're like a blind man in a dark room looking for a black ant. So if I'm given an opportunity to travel outside the country, well, traveling outside the country is not the issue. The country is not the issue. The economy is not the issue. The issue is the people that are in the country. Because if they can be able to work on their mentality of not depending on the government, everybody can come together and achieve something great. But the reason why the country is going helter-skelter on daily basis is because most people put their load on government. And government can't do everything for us. So that's why even if I'm given an opportunity to travel outside the country, I may travel. But if I have an opportunity in Nigeria that can help me to help a lot of people, I don't have a reason of traveling again, because the money we are looking for is in the hand of people. If you know how to relate well with people, you can make a lot of money, even though if you are broad conscious, you'll be Nigerian useless. So if you can able to have connection on how you can help a lot of people to build a positive relationship with people and build a network, I don't think there's a reason of you traveling outside the country again, of which there is a many opportunities around us that you can make use of this kind of opportunity to help people around us, build a network, because in this 21st century, what you need is information. Most people believe only in education. Education can't give you everything. It's only what you have inside your potential that you can use to go and exploit. And you must learn how to communicate in this century. Master basics of communication and basics of relationship, and you will build an empire. And another thing, learn how to sell. You can sell anything sellable. Everybody wants to go outside the country, but not all about that. Right now, look at it now. The reason why you see some people now, they are complaining that maybe things are getting higher, things are increasing the market. Right now, everybody wants to travel. If you have the opportunity, travel. But remember that travel doesn't solve the problem. God has blessed us to earn all the whole mineral resources. We have gold, we have silver, we have diamond, we have oil and gas, we have all the qualities. But remember, that place you are equally traveling to, that is the same place that those people that are coming to pick some of our products here, they are going back there and use it for something. They will still return it back to you and buy it. If you are traveling there, not all about it, because everybody, they say, look at it now, they say opportunity come but one. That is those days. But presently now we are in 21st century, opportunity come every day. The opportunity you are going to see there is the same opportunity that you are going to see this particular place, only that you are not used of it. The business, if you look at it now, in terms of traveling outside the country, is very, very nice. Right now, it's very, very fantastic. But look at it now, you traveling to that particular place, they say the money you are looking for, the wealth, the financial free you are looking for is there are peoples around you that the money are. Only that you have not have the sense to leave that money, to bring that money, and it's part of what we call system. You can equally have the mentality of what we call system. Everybody wealthy in life, they have their own system. Dangote have his own system. Manzugabai have his own system. Everybody have his own system. So know what you are doing. Travel outside the country is very, very nice. But look at it there. The money you are looking for is equally this Nigeria.
To me, provided I am bona fide son of this land, I prefer living in my country. Because living outside, I think, is highly exorbitant for some of us to live there. But if you are from a family that is wealthy, you can live there and succeed. But from the family that I'm coming from, I don't think that I can excel there. I might definitely excel here than abroad.
Nwa opportunity m ji apụ mma apụ maka Nigeria adịghị mma ọnụnụ maka na Nigeria wụ obodo na-adịghị mma ọ obodo na-enweghị ụlọ ede na-ekwu na Nigeria wụ obodo ihe isi ike dị n'ime Nigeria wụ obodo na-enweghị constitution ihe ọbụla na-eme ihe so na iru onye ọchịchị gị na-eme ka o si sọ hụ ede na-ekwu so Nigeria adịghị mma ọnụnụ so nwa opportunity to go out mma adịkwa mma apụkwa ọgadabi were 10 million ọ ihe politicians wụ promise apel ka ha nọ sisi gboo onye kwucha ya akọwa ihe ọzọ so onwe ihe niile dị inye ṅụ ọdịego ahụ wee bido mana enwekwa ya sunye m osu mbidogwe biznes wee mere ka ele ike nwekwa obi wee nọ Naijiria ka ọ Naijiria ọ ga-adị mma ama m na nwa afọ anyị wụ Peter Obi baa Naijiria ma na ọ ga-adị mma ama m ọ ga-eme Naijiria dị mma ịda na-ekwu ndị na-ebu Naijiria wụ ndị plan etiziri n'ọchịchị na-ama left and right ha na-egbu mana etinye nwa afọ anyị wụ Peter Obi ọ ga-eme Naijiria dị mma anyị nwere ike nọ Naijiria uru Naijiria